Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Jackie for VClass. Today we are going to talk about some YouTube basics that will surely help your channel grow. For today we are going to talk about the magic C. Before I proceed, let me have a
shout out first.
Let me start with Sir G-Quest Abside for that Santi Barley Coffee. Thank you very much. To our YouTubers in Miss Sammy's Oriental, some of my friends. Let's have Robert Paila, Gamba Fox, and of course, my co-teacher before, MJ Co. Feel free to support their channels as well. And today we are going to talk about these 3 important C's that will surely make your YouTube channel grow. The first C is none other than your channel name. And the second one, it's gonna be about your content. And the third one is consistency. 3 C's that will surely have a great impact on your YouTube channel. Let's begin with channel name. Now, I'm telling you, channel name is very important because this will serve as the brand name of your channel. So for example, in my case, I choose to have Vacalares class. That is because there is no other Vacalares class around YouTube. If you're going to choose your channel name, it must be something that will represent you best. And of course, it should be something that will be unique, that is very easy to remember. So, if you are going to say, my name is Rodeline and I'm going to have my name as Rod TV, I'm telling you, Rod TV is quite a very common name, and there are many Rod TVs around there in YouTube. And if someone will search you, they cannot find you because those big channels ahead of you will appear on the search.
Not here.
Another thing about channel name is that it should represent your content. Now we're going to talk about the content later. So your channel name should be something that will give your viewers a hint of what this channel is all about. So since I have Vacalares class, you don't need to ask what my content is just because I have the class, right? And the reason why I didn't really fully change my name into VClass, of which I really wanted to be, because if I am going to search it, it doesn't appear. So I stick to Vacalares class. And of course, here's where content comes in. Class, because I am a teacher. So my content is focused on things that is highly educational. So even if I am doing this short lecture about YouTube basics, but still this is educational, something that will educate people. So I am focusing on making video lessons. I am a teacher. That is why I have Vacalares class. It means that if you get in, you are in my classroom. My niche, something like the box of content that I choose, is more on the education category. And that is very important because YouTube is going to categorize you with the content that you are feeding online. That is why you have to be consistent also with your content. So since we have different personalities and we have different types of things that we want to put in YouTube, all we need there is now the third one, which is consistency. We have to be consistent. If you get into YouTube, it must be a lifestyle that you are going to incorporate with your studies, with what you are doing right now. So if you decide to become a YouTuber, it means that you have decided to put a regular practice of sharing things for your viewers. Because I'm telling you, if you don't upload something within a week, your viewers might think that you just have disappeared, and they're going to go to other channels and they're going to view other contents that is of their preference. So that is why you have to be consistent. I hope you had watched those powerful teas that I made sometime last month, so that you can also make sure that you are doing those teas and you combine it with this C's today. So I think your channel is really on the way of blowing up. I hope I have shared something that is of value for you today. This is Teacher Jackie for VClass saying bye-bye. God bless everyone.